Taking everyone's love remembrances. When I went to offer bhog to Baba, Baba, Dadi Gulzar, and there were some other dadis also there, few other ancestor souls. Because as when bhog goes for Dadi Gulzar, then Baba invites other ancestor souls. Today were many of them. And Baba was giving first drishti to them, and then Baba was giving us drishti also. And Baba, with lot of love, accepted bhog, and Baba said, children have lot of love. And he was looking at ancestor souls, and especially Dadi Gulzar, that all Baba's children, but others also, have lot of love for you. And Dadi was smiling as very silently she is saying to Baba, it's because of you. And then Baba is looking at her, said, not only because of me, but you also. So after a few moments, like I was very silently looking at Baba and other souls, ancestor souls. And Dadi Gulzar then said, everything is easy. Everything will be easy. So I was just kind of, why Baba is saying it or Dadi Gulzar is saying this. Baba said, looking at Dadi Gulzar, that many children have many mixed feelings and also very subtle questions. So Dadi Gulzar said, it's very easy because the secret is very simple. Secret is just follow Baba, always be with Baba. Always remember I'm with Baba, Baba is with me. That's what I did whole life. So this very simple thought that I am with Baba, Baba is with me. Baba said that Baba is the guide and he got you all start this spiritual journey. So as guide, he takes care of every soul, every child, cannot leave anyone behind. So I was still kept looking. Then Baba said, but some duty is also of the children, pilgrims, to always keep eye on guide, that I shouldn't get lost anywhere. Because when you will be lost, then you will be wandering. So always look at guide, and guide will look for you. And every step, like Brahma Baba became aware, then Dadi became every step, all these changes which are happening are not changes for those who became aware, but for all of you. That means you are taking another step forward. You are also all moving forward. Baba said, even it's Baba and you will say all ancestor souls taking care of Yagya, but still, each one of you also have some responsibility. So Baba said that it's very simple responsibility, that as each one of you, you are also instrument in some way or another. Whatever you're doing, you're like instrument. So you always have to keep certain qualities in your mind, that I need to have these qualities, so that even if ancestor souls, they want some task accomplished through you, but it can't be if you do not have those qualities. Children are accumulating a lot of income, powers. That means they are remembering, accumulating powers. That Baba says, Baba gives certificate that children are making sincere, good efforts. Baba said, but always remember that just have total trust in future. Don't have any subtle doubts what will happen, who will take care, how will Yagya be sustained, whose Yagya, this Baba's Yagya. So Baba will sustain Yagya. Baba will also take care of you all children. But you have to maintain your trust. When there is trust, Baba said, you will feel that support. You will feel that you are being guided by Baba at every step. So I said, and Baba said, I said, Baba, many souls now It feels like as we come to say goodbye. Baba said, no goodbye. There is no goodbye in Brahmin family. Baba said, we always stay together and will stay together. Only part changes. So I said, many are asking what is Dadi Gulzar's part. So Baba said that Dadi Gulzar part you will observe, but she is with Baba. She is with Baba. Baba didn't say much, Baba. She is with Baba. So I was kind of like as we not saying goodbye. But then Baba just smiled and Baba said, yes, Baba will reveal everything, but not now. And then Baba gave lots of love remembrances for everyone. बाबा की याद में बाबा को भोग लगाने के लिए गई। वहां पर न केवल दादी गुलजार परंतु बहुत पूर्वज आत्माएं थी। वतन में दादी गुलजार के लिए भोग गया तो बाबा ने बहुत पूर्वज आत्माओं को इमर्ज किया। बाबा सबसे मुलाकात कर रहे थे और उसके बाद फिर हम सभी जो भी बाबा के बच्चे हैं, बाबा हम सबको भी दृष्टि दे रहे थे। दृष्टि देने के बाद बाबा ने कहा कि बहुत तरह के सूक्ष्म में बच्चों के मन में प्रश्न भी हैं, विचार भी चल रहे हैं, परंतु बाबा ने कहा कि बाबा आपका गाइड है। आप लोगों ने यात्रा बाबा ने शुरू करवाई, तो गाइड कभी भी किसी भी यात्री को तो छोड़ नहीं सकते थे, सब पर नजर रहती है। ऐसे ही हर जो यात्री है उसको भी गाइड के ऊपर नजर रहनी चाहिए, बहुत अलग नहीं हो जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अलग होंगे तो भटक जाएंगे। अलग नहीं हो, गाइड को देखते रहो। फिर बाबा ने कहा, देखो बाबा का यज्ञ है, बाबा ने स्थापन किया है, बाबा ही पालना करेगा, तो कोई भी हमेशा विश्वास रखो। और पूर्वज आत्माओं का कार्य है, बाबा का है, लेकिन आप में से जो भी निमित्त बने हो, एक एक निमित्त बने हो को वो गुण और शक्तियां अपने में लानी होंगी जो बाबा आपसे कार्य करा सके या पूर्वज आत्माएं भी आपसे कार्य करा सके। तो बाबा ने कहा वो अटेंशन तो देना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है। और बाबा ने कहा हमेशा भविष्य पर विश्वास हो कि कैसे जब भी कोई एक कदम ब्रह्मा बाबा व्यक्त हुए, फिर दादियां व्यक्त हो रही हैं, तो ये एक कदम आगे है ना, तो आप लोग भी सभी जैसे एक एक कदम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और इसी तरह से बढ़ेंगे भी। तो ये कोई विदाई का दृश्य नहीं है, बाबा ने कहा, क्योंकि सोचते हैं 12वें दिन कब हो गया तो विदाई का दिन है। बाबा ने कहा, हमने कहा दादी का क्या पार्ट है? बाबा ने कहा वो तो आप लोग देखते जाएंगे, पर अभी दादी बाबा के साथ ही है। ऐसा कहते हुए बाबा मुस्कुराते हुए सभी के लिए बहुत बहुत याद कर दी। और शुरू में ही बाबा ने दादी को बोला, आपसे सबको बहुत बहुत स्नेह है। तो दादी बाबा को देख रही थी, बाबा आपके कारण। बाबा ने कहा नहीं, मेरे कारण तो है ही, लेकिन आपके लिए भी है, क्योंकि आपने बाबा को फॉलो किया है, तो जरूर सबको अनुभव भी अच्छा ही होता है। फिर बाबा ने सभी के लिए याद प्यार दी और फिर मैं वापस आ गई।